Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Grandma Lily English. Here, we don't just learn English, we discover the stories that shape our hearts. So, find a comfortable place, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Here's today's listening tip. When you hear a feeling described, don't translate every word. Instead, try to imagine the emotion. Sometimes understanding a feeling is more important than understanding every sentence.
So I should listen with my heart too?
Exactly. Sometimes our hearts understand before our minds do.
Grandma, may I ask you something?
Of course, my dear.
It's a little embarrassing.
Those are usually the most interesting questions.
There's a girl at school. Whenever she smiles, I smile too. Whenever she walks into the classroom, I notice. I don't even know why,
I think I know why.
but today I saw her talking and laughing with another boy. I don't know what happened. Nothing actually happened, but it hurt, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. Does that make me silly?
No, it makes you human.
Has anything like that ever happened to you?
Many years ago, when I was about 16, there was someone I liked very much. I never told him, not once,
Really? Why not?
because sometimes the words we're most afraid to say are the ones that matter the most. Come, sit a little closer tonight. I'd like to tell you about a letter I wrote again and again, but never found the courage to send. Our story is called The Letter That Was Never Sent. I still remember my first day at the new school. Everything felt unfamiliar. New classrooms, new teachers, new faces. I was shy, so I usually sat near the window and quietly watched everyone else. One morning, a boy walked into the classroom. He wasn't the loudest or the funniest, but somehow, when he smiled, the whole room felt warmer. His name was Daniel. I never planned to like him. It simply happened, little by little. I found myself looking toward his desk without even realizing it. If he laughed, I smiled. If he answered a question, I listened. If he was absent, the classroom felt strangely empty.
Did he know how you felt?
No, not at all. I was far too shy to tell him. Back then, I believed that if someone discovered my secret, I would die of embarrassment. Every afternoon, I wrote a letter, not a long one, just a few lines. Sometimes I thanked him for being kind. Sometimes, and I wrote that his smile had brightened my day. But every evening, I folded the letter, placed it inside my notebook, and promised myself, tomorrow, I'll give it to him. Tomorrow. Never came. Weeks passed, then months, until one afternoon, I walked into the school garden. Daniel was sitting under an old oak tree. He wasn't alone. A girl from our class was sitting beside him. They were talking, laughing, completely lost in their conversation. For a moment, my heart became very quiet, not angry, not jealous, just quiet. I looked down at the letter I was holding and slowly folded it one last time.
Did you throw it away?
No, I couldn't. I placed it back inside my notebook. I still have it, even today.
Really? After all these years?
Yes, not because I still loved Daniel, but because that little letter reminds me of something very important.
What was that?
That your first love isn't always about another person. Sometimes it's the moment you discover a part of your own heart for the very first time. Many years later, I opened that old letter again. I smiled, not because I wished I'd given it to Daniel, but because I realized that growing up means learning to be grateful for every feeling that teaches you kindness, even if it never becomes a love story. Before we continue, let's learn a few beautiful expressions from today's story. Number 1, to have a crush on someone, it means to like someone in a special way, especially for the first time. Example, I think I have a crush on a girl in my class. Number 2, to gather the courage it means to become brave enough to do something difficult. Example, I finally gathered the courage to speak. Number 3, to follow your heart. It means to listen to your deepest feelings. Example, sometimes you should follow your heart.
Grandma, do you ever regret not giving him the letter?
Sometimes, when I was younger, I did. I wondered what might have happened if I had been brave enough. But life has taught me something beautiful. Not every feeling is meant to become a relationship. Some feelings come into our lives to help us grow. Love isn't about making someone belong to you. Real love begins with respect, with kindness, with wishing the very best for another person, even if they choose a different path. And one more thing, never be ashamed of having a kind heart. One day, someone will treasure it.
So, it's okay that my heart hurts today?
Oh, Noah, it means your heart is learning, and every heart that learns how to care also learns how to become strong. One day, someone may smile at you. One day, someone may walk away. Both moments can teach you something valuable. The important thing is not whether someone loves you. The important thing is the kind of person love helps you become. This week, I'd like you to write a short letter, not necessarily to someone you like. Write to anyone who has made your life a little brighter, a parent, a teacher, a friend, or even your future self. You don't have to send it. Just write from your heart. Sometimes the words we write change us before they change anyone else. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us. If today's story touched your heart, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might need a little hope today.
We'll see you next time with another story, another lesson, and another step toward better English.
Until then, take care, keep learning, and always remember, the kindest heart is never wasted. Goodbye, and take your time.